So what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into today's video. We are at World's End State Park, and this is going to be the World's End Fall Classic. Now it's going to be a little bit different because I'm running the race, but I'm not officially in the race. There's a few mandates that I didn't really want to comply with regarding COVID-19, so I'm still running. I withdrew. It's a state park, so we are at the World's End State Park office, and we're gonna be hitting the trail here shortly. I got my own watch, I got my own time, and I got my own crew members.
All right, we're starting. We just heard the bell. We have our own little starting spot here. You ready, Jerem?
Yeah.
Good luck, babe.
Thanks, hon.
Here they come.
When do you think I should go?
Now.
Now?
Bye. Go, Jeremy! Yeah, girl!
Daddy! Daddy, going! Daddy! Look, my daddy.
All right, it's about 10:45, and we're at the first checkpoint waiting for Jeremy, so we're all here ready to cheer him on. They'll be coming up this way right here.
Doing great.
And we're all camped out here, waiting to give him some water. All right, here he comes. What time is it? 10:55? 10:54 at the 4-mile mark.
I see him.
Mom, can you grab a little water? Do you want some water?
Yeah. Thanks.
We're probably in 70th right now.
The guy who's like a lifetime marathoner was just in front of you. He's 80 years old, but you know.
I said Toby's gonna do this next year. He's right in front of you.
Toby will be right here cheering you on.
Can you change Clover's diaper real quick?
Yeah, on it.
All right, you got this,
All right,
buddy.
get back on the trail.
Oh, one more.
What?
Bye. All right, we're gonna try to catch up with them again here. Not exactly sure what point in the race this is, but we're hungry, so we're taking some snack breaks. Brought him some bananas so we can refuel him. What do you think, buddy? You gonna run this next year? How about you?
No.
Not me. Here he comes. All right, you're doing better than last time.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Have a banana.
Yep, on top of the cart.
Quick, peel it.
How you feel?
I'm on pace for 3 hours. So
Where'd you finish last
You want
time?
us to fill up your water?
4, yeah. This next is 4 miles.
What is this? What mile is this?
This is 6.
Okay.
The next stop is at 4. I mean, next stop is in 4.
Mama,
Okay.
Dada.
Let me see if I have some more in the car. Daddy brought those for his race energy. There he goes. All right, we're at mile. What mile is this, Danae? 10? I think this is mile 10. So we haven't seen Jeremy yet. We're waiting at this really beautiful vista. So I'll turn the camera around and show you. It's so beautiful right now. The trees are all turning colors. So this will be probably our favorite spot to wait for him.
Isn't it beautiful? Pretty.
Yeah, that is awesome.
It is awesome.
Dada. There's what? What is it on the That is so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, that's so cool. When are we gonna go
So
to
the
the rock
boys were
mountain?
asking me like how if that's where we camp, and I'm thinking no.
Mama, every people who come to again high five us.
That's awesome.
Mama, I can see a runner's coming, a runner's
Perfect.
coming, a
Oh,
runner. Get on video,
okay.
quick. Still without one sign it. Quick, quick.
Watch out, Clove.
A runner's coming through.
Over here, over here, over here.
Quick,
Hurry.
quick, quick, quick.
Here comes the runner. Daisy, right here by the tree.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
High five. Guys, get a high five now.
Good
Oh, high
job.
five! Awesome! I can do this! Woo! Good job,
You got me. You got me, Mom.
He got
Guys, here
you.
comes like, Mama, there's some more people coming.
Okay. All right, here he comes. What time is it now?
12:52.
12:52. All right.
Okay.
This is.
Side of the kids.
Oh, that's a good idea.
You gonna go?
This is the 10-mile mark.
Jeremy's coming right there. See? Coming down the stairs.
He says he's not doing it, so they stop cheering him on.
All right, Bigfoot Farmer.
Come Daddy, Clover. Come Daddy.
I missed it.
I started cramping up again.
Did you fall over?
No, I didn't fall over this time.
Here, watch out, Daisy.
Oh, you're
Come here.
good.
Sorry. Good job, guys. Oh, goodness.
They're gonna run.
What you need?
I need some water. I like mile 8. My toe went like, oh.
What do you think you need? So
I don't
that
know. I'm
doesn't
doing
happen?
something wrong. I got
They
water.
got pickles.
Did you do that goo stuff? Doesn't that have electrolytes in it?
Pickles and
Yeah, I got.
what, pierogies and all.
So we're bringing you the potassium, but not the sodium.
Why
You need the
do you have
sodium.
banana?
Stopping.
Yeah.
Right there.
Jeremy! Woo! Can I have a drink?
No, Juddy.
You want to peel the banana for me?
Small time. I want a drink.
These are so difficult.
Before you leave, high five too. Daddy!
Love you.
Love you.
Woo! Huggy! Huggy!
No one's wearing a mask.
I know.
Yeah. Daddy!
All right, babe. What time is it?
Unofficial end.
At?
Who won?
I'm not on it.
He's just, yeah. I know, wouldn't that be a bummer?
Why is
He didn't want to do it because of the whole mask regulations, and so he just did his own, just came on his own. He did it last year, though. What time is it?
3:54, which was better than last year.
When did you
I
finish
don't know.
last
I
year?
keep cramping up at the same dang spot. I finished at 4 hours 6.
You look better than last year.
No, I feel not good.
There's been a lot of that going on through here, and I don't feel that.
Yeah. My legs are trash.
You were running though. I mean, there's no, last year you were like dragging yourself along.
Then throw them in the trash.
What do you
If your
need?
legs are-
We literally just pulled up. I'm so worried we're gonna miss you.
It's alright. I want to soak in the river.
Well, Weston's been begging and begging.
You want to go back to the campsite or you want to stay here?
Go back to the campsite. Go back to the campsite.
Let's talk with everybody.
Well guys, I really appreciate you tuning into this video. My official results, if I was actually in the race, would have been 97th place, which is huge because I was 116th place last year and I finished 3 hours and 53 minutes and some change. You know, this was absolutely amazing. At one point in the race I came up to a checkpoint, and I think you can hear it in the video. My mother-in-law was saying that I told people that I wasn't in the race and they stopped cheering for me when I came in. But with the love and support of my family, those cheers were heard, and I really appreciate everyone that came out. I was pretty emotional on the way home. It was amazing. I felt loved so much, and I know you guys enjoy coming out there. I mean, it's 2 hours away just to watch me run. So I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I really appreciate you guys viewing and watching this video, this little series. We were camping. I was camping with the boys, my brother-in-law and father-in-law, and it was a blast. So if you guys like what you see, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't be afraid to leave some comments, and please hit that subscribe button. We have a lot going on with the move and just trying to follow what God has in store for us. So we will see you guys on the next video, and I really appreciate it.
I said Toby's gonna do this. He's right in front of you.